Hello, my friend. So today we will sharing knowledge about the weld defect and imperfection. Introduce to weld defect. Definition and terminology. Weld defect is imperfection, irregulation, infection, weld quality, but it's not always rejection of the welding. Quality standard, type of welding defect. Defect are the categories are fabrication related and service related, including crack, porosity, and fatigue. Important to understanding defect. Recognize cause, characteristic, help welding, minimize defect, and ensure high quality weld. This picture is very beautiful. The idea of weld. This one is crack on the base metal, crack on the weld metal, porosity and the weld metal, undercut on head affected zone, slight inclusion on the weld metal, overlap weld metal to parent metal, but the weld metal is not melting with the parent metal. Incomplete fusion, incomplete penetration on the root, sputter. Understanding its defect is very important to ensure the structural integrity and safely. Help to meet industrial standard and regulatory code, reduce repair and downtime. Improve quality control, inspection, efficiency. Incomplete root fusion and penetration, definition and cause. Incomplete root fusion happens when the welding does not fuse the joint root properly due to the factor like thick root face, small root gap. So this one we call is root gap, and we think about the thick root face and small root gap. So the weld metal or electrode cannot penetrate to the root. So this cause is no weld metal on the root. So welding process impact. This is very common, yeah. Very common. All the welding will have possibility this defect. Prevention and standard using the parameter, electrode size, and joint help to prevent. So make sure the welder and fitter is follow WBPS. Detection and repair. So because this one on the root, so especially for the piping, we cannot see from the outside because become on the ID piping, then we need NDT to detect this incomplete root fusion defect. So radiography, ultrasonic inspection defect, then we need to repair, import, grinding. We need to grinding, gouging following the rewelding, and restore the quality. Incomplete root fusion or penetration occur when the weld fail to fuse one or both, yeah, side of the joint. So this joint and this joint is not melting by welding. This defect is common on the welding basically, whereas the welder has limited control over the weld pool penetration. Cause including excessively thick root face. So because of the root face and too small root gap. So normally people control is 2 millimeter, but when they very thick, maybe 1 millimeter is the weld metal pool cannot penetrate into the root. Or maybe by the welding parameter, welding energy is not enough to melting the weld metal. So particularly we need to increase or the ampere, or maybe we need to make it bigger of the root gap. That's why for the piping is likely to use TIG welding, and TIG welding is very good to penetrate to the root because of the filler wire is very small diameter and can penetrate, and the welding quality TIG also good. So in commonly for the root, people use is TIG, GTAW. But back to the WPS, as per the engineering, welding engineering, make it during a PQR. Prevention technique for the root face. So this one is RTV lamp. So you can see this is the root. They become more dark compared than acceptance of the root penetration. So this one only one side. The cause is because of the misalignment during fit up. So TIG welding best practice to avoid large phase and sufficient current and achieve full root prevention in TIG. Yeah. So also we need to the MMR welding technique, MIG welding parameter or WPS, joint configuration and tacking. So set accurate root face size, bevel angle, use adequate tacking to prevent root gap closing during the welding. To prevent incomplete root fusion require accurate best practice. Yeah. Tailored to the welding process, TIG welding and welder should avoid large face and ensure sufficient welding current for full root penetration. You see, this is one parent metal is high and this one is more lower. So during fit up, fitter have to see the high-low. So one root is basically is fully penetrate to the weld metal, but another side is not melting. Lack of sidewall and interrun fusion. Cause and fusion defect. Fusion defect arise from the narrow joint preparation, poor welding parameter, and inadequate cleaning or magnetic blow. So magnetic blow the melting pool of the weld metal. Effect and welding technique. Proper electrode angle, manipulation and waving improve fusion. But the vertical welding increase defect risk basically. Preventive measurement, optimize weld joint preparation, weld parameter, and demagnetize material help to prevent fusion failure. So if you see this one, so lack of interrun fusion, this one look like is a double V, yeah, double V. So you see this one is not fusion. Suppose to this one is on root, one side welding from the top and one side from the below. But this one is single bevel. So you see this one weld to weld is not joined. This one on the capping welding on the heat affected zone is not melting to the parent metal. On this one is on the interrun fusion on the center wall is not melting. So lack of sidewall and interrun fusion occur when the weld metal fail the fusion with the joint sidewall or penetrate to the previous weld bit. This defect is often occur by narrow joint preparation. Incorrect welding parameter, poor welding technique, and magnetic are blow the weld molten. Well, vertical position increase a likelihood of disease imperfection. Narrow joint preparation can attract the art to one side. High arc length and poor access further exacerbate for the problem welding. Porosity in weld. You see this one, hole? This is the porosity. Type of porosity. Porosity in weld including distributed porosity, surface porous, wormhole, crater pipe, each with the distinct characteristic. Cause of porosity, gas absorption from the nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen is due to the poor shielding, leak, turbulency, surface contamination. Hydrogen and surface contamination, moisture from the electrode flux, grease, oil, and surface coating contribute hydrogen crushing porosity in the weld. Preventive technique, prevent perpetuating porosity by sealing leak, controlling, cleaning surface using gradual current and during the welding. So if you see this one is the surface porosity, and this one is localized porosity on the inside of the welding. Porosity in the weld refers to cavity performed by trapping gas during solidification of the weld pool. Is manifest in the various forms including distribution porosity, surface breaking porous, wormhole, and crater pipe. Distribution porosity appears as the fine porous through hole the weld beam. Well, the surface porous indicate significant gas entrapment cause including absorption of the nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen due to the poor gas shielding leak. Detection and remedial action. Well, defect detection technique, surface defect can be detected by PT, MT. Well, the surface defect require radiography or UT. Radiography and ultrasonic strength. Radiography effective identified porosity, ultrasonic testing access to detection interrun fusion, especially on the thick weldel. Remedial action and defect. Minor defect fixed by localized grinding, rewelding, porosity require complete weld remove and joint preparation. Produce improvement. So, persistent fusion defect call for the welding procedure change or the welding strengthening, mainly weld quality and integrity. So, you see this one is MT, PT, UT, then crack inside. Detection weld defect require approach inspection technique based on the nature of the imperfection. Surface breaking can identify using penetrant or magnetic particle inspection. For the subsurface, the best detect through the radiography or ultrasonic inspection. With the UT, being more effective for interrun fusion issue and radiography access identify the characteristic of the porosity. Acceptance standard and material susceptibility. I think for your inspector, quality inspector or welding inspector, very understand this one. So I believe you understand that material defect restriction, incomplete fusion or burner, the high quality level, minimum weld, probably long imperfection, and material suspectly and cleaning. So defect material using specific cleaning method to reduce porosity. susceptibility in the welding, yeah. So acceptance standard is a defect is a various code basically, but in the major is in the common welding defect is almost similar. Depend how clever the welding inspector to find the defect, and of course the welding inspector have to give a very clear judgment. Conclusion and best practice. Weld defect management. Managing weld defect ensure the reliability and safely welding structure and address common imperfection effectively. Prevention technique. Achieving welding parameter, joint preparation, welding technique, minimize occur of the defect and high quality. Make sure they follow WPS. Inspection and remedial action, radiography, ultrasonic testing defect, accurately while the remedial action ensure the proper correction and imperfection. So because this one is for the especially for the piping, when the defect in the inside of the material, so need very clear information from the radiography, the location. For the best practice and the training, continuous training, complete with the standard, and improve weld integrity and quality efficiency. That's all from me. Thank you and bye.